Hi, welcome back to Silkie and today we have a surprise visitor. I found this bird chirping in the public garden. Can you tell what is this bird called? I asked people around me. Finally, someone on Carousel told me it's yellow. Do you know its name? Can you provide your guess on my comments below? Here she's learned to eat. At first she's scary by her mouth open wide, but after being accustomed to me, she's good with me. See here, she's enjoying the feed. You have enjoyed watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again soon.